Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see some topic about Libero financial freedom. You all know that before itself we made a video regarding this, and all of them bought this coin for high APY, and all people are holding this coin also, guys. Okay, so this Libero financial freedom is launching Libero Bank, and they are giving BUSD rewards. Everything we're gonna see today, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, just open the Twitter page of Libero Financial. Okay, Twitter page. Open the Twitter page. Libero Financial Freedom, guys. Okay, so this is the official Twitter page of the Libero Financial Freedom. They are giving 1,58,893 percentage per APU, guys. Okay, and plus 226 percentage BUSD rewards, passive income. Okay, guys. Here all the updates they are given regarding financial freedom. Okay, so you can check it out, and right now we can click on the website, guys. liberofinancial.utm, so that one, click on that website page. So the website page will get opened. So this is the website of the Libero Financial Freedom, guys. Okay, you all know that they are giving this much of fixed APY Libero Financial, and it's compound interest. Okay, compound interest is the 8th world wonder, Albert Einstein says. And all the details, these all details already we have seen in another videos. You can check it out if you not seen. Okay, so all the things are given. While highest fixed APY 1,58,000, automatic staking and compounding in your wallet. Get rewards every 30 minutes. DeFi 3.0, banning 2 to 4% is apply every week. Rug proof, no minting to wallet. Audited by Thorium, and rug free coins audited by Certic. Libero Bank and BUSD from 7% transaction volume, and participates in Libero governance. So a lot of things going on here. If you want to join in Libero Bank, take a airdrop countdown before 11 days, you have to join here, guys. Okay, so buy on Thorium, buy on Borg, buy on PancakeSwap. Where you want to buy, you can buy it from here. So all the countries which are immigrating, this country's names here, and you can check all the details, guys. Okay, a lot of details available. So here we can click on open app. Okay, click on open app, click on smart chain BNB. Okay, if you have Phantom, you can click on Phantom also, but we have smart chain, so I click smart chain. So connect to your wallet. Okay, I already connected my wallet. Okay, so that's fine, my wallet is connected, that's fine. Okay, so if you are not connected, you can connect to your wallet. So here is all the things are given. Market cap is this much. Libero Financial price is 0.01. Next reward will be in 13.52 second, and liquidity 100%. All time high, all time low, everything they are given, guys. Okay, so here how much you will be getting, how much if you are holding, how much you will be getting for 1 year. The calculation is given. So I'm having 1155 Libero. Okay, so I'm giving max here. So right now $12.9 worth. Price will be right now the price is $0.01. If I'm holding this for 368 days, my Libero balance will be this much. Okay, this much, and the total USD balance will be 20,547 USD, guys. Okay, this is the approximate value. Okay, approximate value I will be getting. Okay, so here there is a 3 line is there na, so click on that one. Okay, so here Libero Bank is there, right? Just click on that Libero Bank. Okay, click that and click on Libero Bank. Libero Bank. Okay, this is a Libero Bank. What is Libero Bank? So you lock Libero any period from 1 day to 4 years in the Libero Bank to receive X Libero tokens as a recipient. Probably the longer you lock, the more Libero you will receive. As 4-year lock, you will give 1:1% ratio of Libero to X Libero conversation. So here you can lock your Libero in Libero bank from 1 day to 4 years. Okay, so as long as you lock, you will be getting more rewards, guys. Okay, so that's telling. Ex Libero holders will receive other benefits such as multi-chain farming profits in the future. Okay, you can unlock Ex Libero before the time, but 90% of your locked Libero will go to the current Ex Libero holders. Okay, so that's the thing they are given. So here, if you want to lock, you have to give approve Libero. Okay, so everybody you can log for this, and you can go for the long term, guys. Okay, that's what I used to suggest. So just click on approve Libero. Okay, so this will give to trust wallet. Open the trust wallet and connect it. Invalid season. Wallet connect. Okay, it's not connecting. Just come back again and check. Okay, here in downside they are given lock for 14 days to 4 years. Okay, maximum how much days we want to lock, we can click here. Okay, lock until Wednesday, June 29, 22. One Libero locked for 4 years equal to 1 X Libero. One Libero locked for 3 years equal to 0.75 Libero. Oh, that much they are giving. Okay, so 1:1. If I am locking 4 years, I will be getting 1. Okay, so that much, that's a percentage. Okay. Okay, so you need to lock minimum 100 Libero. That's the thing. Minimum 100 we need to lock. Okay, so the rewards option we will be getting here, guys. Okay, so the rewards option, how much rewards we will be getting, BUSD rewards. Next when I will be getting rewards. So claim Libero. Once you getting the rewards, you can claim Libero, and you can claim the BUSD. So everything you can claim here. Okay, Libero, Thorium, everything you can claim. Okay, so all the details will be given here. So all the referral program rewards will be claimed by here. So your referral link will be here. Okay, so that much potential worth is this Libero Financial. So you can lock your Libero Financial, and you can go for long term, guys. So you'll be getting huge profit in time of years. Okay, so don't miss this will be getting, I'll be giving the referral link in the description, guys. Don't forget to join. Okay, just click on the link on connect to wallet and just hold for the long term, guys. Okay, this Libero Financial will be giving cracking update, guys. Okay, so here the only thing you have to do, here you have to give approve, and next page you have to commit, and next page you can lock here. Okay, you can click on here how much days you want to click, how much days you want to lock, 1 year or 4 year or whatever it is, and you can submit. Minimum 100 you need to lock. Okay, that's the thing, guys. You will be getting rewards if you lock. If you give on submit here, your rewards will be shown here. Okay, every time your rewards will be coming here, you can claim here, and all the referral rewards you can claim here. So everything you can claim in your wallet, and you can sell it, guys. Okay guys, this could be the awesome update about Libero Financial Freedom. So don't miss it, guys. Okay, just join it and the rewards, guys. Okay, thank you so much.